Most people are completely missing the biggest opportunity of our time. Right now, there is a massive shift happening in how money is made online and how businesses are built. And the people who understand it will make so much money, they will be set for the rest of their lives. Now, the good news is you do not need to be an AI expert, and you also don't need to be a tech genius. You don't even need any previous experience. You just need to know how to use AI to make money the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to build a profitable coaching, service, or even digital product business and scale it to $10,000 per month and beyond as quickly as possible. By the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear roadmap to follow. My name is Fred, and I grew up in a lower middle class family. My parents are nurses and we often lacked money, which is why I always had the drive to work extremely hard and to become financially free. And after failing countless times and trying every business model online and listening to all of the bad advice given by the big gurus, I finally cracked the code. And no, I don't have a Rolex or a Ferrari, and I also don't live in Dubai, but I've been able to create my dream life and reach all of my goals so far. So to thank you for being with me on this journey, when we hit 30,000 subs, I'm going to be giving you away $2,000. All you need to do is to watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share it with a friend to push it in the algorithm. The biggest mistake that people make when they try to make money with AI is thinking they need to create some brand new AI tool, chatbot, or software. They think they need to be a coder or a developer, but that's completely wrong and unnecessary. The fastest way to make money with AI isn't by building AI, it's by leveraging AI to sell high-ticket services, coaching, or digital products. This is where AI becomes a true game changer, because in the past, starting this kind of business required a lot of time, expertise, and knowledge, and add to that manual work. You had to do everything yourself with no assistance from AI. But nowadays, using AI, you can increase your efficiency at work, get things done faster, automate tasks, increase efficiency, and so much more. This means you can charge premium prices and let AI do most of the heavy lifting for you. So how can you actually do this? How do you go from being where you are right now, stuck in a job that you hate, to making over $10,000 per month with AI, and how do we do it as quickly as possible? First, you need to pick the right business model. There are three main ways you can make money with AI: offering consulting, providing AI-powered services, or creating AI-powered digital products. And all of these three models work, but by far, the fastest way to get to 10K per month using AI is to sell high-ticket coaching offers or services. Why? Because when you charge high-ticket prices, you don't need to get hundreds of customers. You only need a handful of customers to hit your monthly income goals. Let's say you sold a consulting package for $1,000, for example. You would only need 10 customers to make 10K per month. If you sold an offer for $2,000, you would only need 5 clients to be making $10,000 per month. On the other hand, if you tried to sell a $50 product, you would need 200 customers to make the same income. So in your opinion, which one sounds easier? You might think it's easier to sell more people on a cheaper product, but it's actually not. In my experience, and it's been the case for lots of my mentors, people who made multiple 7, multiple 8 figures per year with their businesses, people who pay the least are the most troublesome customers. They're the worst. So not only do you make more money charging high ticket prices, but you also attract a premium quality of customers. Low ticket prices keep you broke unless you have a lot of visibility, a big audience, or a crazy budget for paid ads. Then it makes sense to offer low ticket products. But that's exactly why I focus on helping people to start or to grow a high ticket consulting business. It's the fastest way to get to 10K per month, and AI made the whole process just faster. So if you want me to personally help you to start or to grow your consulting business, I've recorded a free video training in which I'm going to share with you everything I did step by step to make upwards of $1,200 per day with 95% profit margins in my consulting business. Or you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. The links will be in the description below. Now the next step is to choose a niche and a problem to solve. So ask yourself, what industries are being currently impacted by AI? What businesses or individuals could benefit from AI-powered solutions? For example, businesses need help with content creation, automations, lead generation, marketing, or improving customer service with AI-powered chatbots. Entrepreneurs and working professionals need help with streamlining their workflows, improving efficiency, spending less time on repetitive tasks, automating all of that. And plenty of companies also need guidance on how to implement AI in their business. And once you've identified a problem that AI can help you to solve, you want to position yourself and your offer as the solution to this problem. So remember, you don't need to create an AI, you just need to understand how to use existing AI tools to deliver results for your customers. For example, let's say you help coaches and consultants to improve their content creation process to produce higher quality content faster using tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. So instead of having to spend hours writing detailed social media scripts, creating emails, emails or making presentations. They can use AI to do 80% of the work in just a couple of minutes. This is something that businesses will gladly pay for. Or let's say you help e-commerce brands to create product descriptions or ad creatives powered with AI. And because these companies are always looking to increase sales and to reduce costs, AI gives them a big advantage. Now, once you've got your niche and your offer, the next step after that is getting customers. And this is where most people overcomplicate things. You don't need a fancy website, you don't need a logo, and you don't need to be running paid ads. All you need to do is to make targeted content to attract your ideal customers to you and to start real, genuine conversations with people. So the best way to do that is by leveraging social media. There's a reason why people like Alex Hormozy are making content. He's doing it for business purposes. You can use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, even other social media platforms. Ideally, you want to go where your ideal customers are hanging out. Join groups, engage with people, provide free value, and most importantly, start direct conversations with people in your market. You could send a potential customer a simple message such as, "Hey, I saw your post and you said that you were struggling with this problem. I actually help people with that using AI. If you want, I'd be happy to share a few ideas that could help you. No pressure, just let me know." So as you can see, there's no selling, no pitching. You're just having real, genuine conversations with people in your market. And when they respond, you can take it one step further. You can say something like, "Yeah, I help businesses with this all the time. If you want, we can hop on a quick call and I can discuss some strategies with you. Would that help?" That is how you get customers. And when you make content, people also come to you directly, doing all the heavy lifting for you. So as you can see, there's no ads, no complex funnels, just genuine conversations with people who need your help. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds amazing, but how do I actually create my offer into a real package, and how do I go about getting my first customers? That is exactly what I help people to do inside of my coaching program. I work with people just like you, and I help them to package their knowledge or information or expertise into a high-ticket coaching offer or service-based offer. And that is the fastest and most efficient way to scale to $10,000 per month. So if you want to shortcut your success, to get a proven step-by-step process, to land high-ticket customers, and to be able to quit your job ASAP, I invite you to book a call with me or my team and we'll see if we can help you. And I've also recorded a free video training for you in which I'm going to explain the simple 3-step process I personally use to grow my consulting business, and we make upwards of $1,200 per day with 95% profit margins. You will find the links in the description below. With that being said, I'll be waiting for you on the other side.